Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Amazing Angela. What I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how to set up your LeadsLeap profile, which is very important. And to do that, you log into your LeadsLeap back office, then you go here to My Profile. So essentially what you want to do is you want to go through all these four here and make sure you set and forget, okay? So public profile, this is what the public's going to see. So make sure you have a smiling image of yourself here. Very important. Everything that you're doing online, just picture this. It's like you would, if you had a shop offline, you want a smiley face greeting people as they approach you. Okay, so that's what you should have here. Put your name, your last name, and then here you can write a paragraph about yourself. You can highlight, italicize. And then here you can put a link to your website, your blog. So you just type in here. So you just go enter. So you type in the name and then you copy that, and then you paste the link where you want them to go, and then always make sure it opens in a new window. Okay, very simple. So you can put one per line, but a confused mind always says no, I just prefer to have one. And then here how your people can connect with you on YouTube, Facebook. So you do the exact same thing, whatever social media accounts that you have. All right, so the next thing is once you have your public profile, set and forget. You can see how many clicks I've got to my profile, and then you can do your account settings. This is this bit. So your email address here. So you can choose to receive the daily email once a new sign up. I'm actually going to take that off. And then here you pick your time zone, what time you want your emails to be sent to you, and your time zone, your password. And then this is new, right? So if you need somebody to log into your LeadsLeap and do some work for you, you can choose a password for them. So when they log into your LeadsLeap account using your username and the VA password, then they won't get access to your money and stuff like that, right? So they'll just get access if you want them to build funnels, email series, and all that. So very powerful. And then here, what way you want to get paid? You want to get paid through PayPal. You put your PayPal there. Wise, TransferWise, crypto. You put your crypto address and you click save. Okay. So do this, set and forget. And then my sponsor, you can actually see details about your sponsor. So let's click here and show you what my sponsor, what he has, what they have. This is what they put in the About Them section. And this is the link that they have where they say we can connect with them. Oh, they put an email address there. Okay. So don't save that. And then these are their websites. Let's see if we click that, what happens. Okay. Right, okay. Their website is broken. I've been a member of this for years, okay? So here you can see their top recommendations as well. Very powerful, okay? So you'll be able to see mine if you create an account under me. And then you can see your subscription details. If you want to change the processor, if you want to cancel. So you can see here I use my commissions to pay for my monthly subscription. And this is when my next billing date, right? So you can see that for yourself. And then, yeah, that's it. That's the last bit there. So this is one thing that I've neglected to share in my trainings. Make sure you go to your profile and fill these things out, okay? That way, when people who join you, they can see your details, and that way you can set up so you get paid as well. And yeah, pretty cool. You can set up your virtual assistant and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you'd like to a free platform where you can get access to marketing tools, you can click the link in the description to check this out. If you have any questions, there's a link to my Facebook, my Telegram. Reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Otherwise, if you found value, smash that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.